Guys, welcome to a special today. I've been noticing the excitement around HTMX being distributed on floppy disks. Unfortunately, I missed the boat there and I haven't got one myself, so I decided to go one better, and I wanted to be able to run the HTMX JavaScript code, or at least be able to see it on a ZX Spectrum, because that's what I grew up with back in the 80s. So after a bit of digging around, I found that I can use a couple of utilities to convert a basic file to a tap, and then I can convert a tap file to a WAV. So we can have an actual audio file. I'm going to share it with you guys once it's working. So here we go. Let's see if we can get I've got a simple example here, just a hello world example. I'm going to run this. So here we go, Python main. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's created a basic program here, which prints out the JavaScript, and then it says it's the end. Looks like the line numbers are a bit bad. Let's go and fix that, shall we? Here we go. Yeah, I think that will work. So there we go, that looks better. Right, this is the tap file, which is just a binary format, but you can see the stuff is in there. Then the WAV file here, that familiar sound of old. So let's load up the Fuse emulator for ZX Spectrum. It's already loaded and running here. Hit reset just to be sure. A thing of beauty. Right, and I'm going to open the WAV file here, and let's see what happens. Great. This looks like it's doing the right kind of thing. Yeah, hey! So we have our JavaScript being displayed there in a ZX Spectrum. So let's do that for the HTMX JavaScript here. I'm going to generate the same thing. I'm having to split it up into multiple chunks because there's a line limit for the ZX Spectrum. So let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go. We've got 3 WAV files. I'm going to have to change the setting on Fuse so that it does a fast tape loading. Otherwise, I'm going to be sitting here for a long time. So here we go. Let's load up that chunk again. It should now have... And there we go. We are loading HTMX in the ZX Spectrum. And that's the first chunk. And we should be able to load all of the others without problem either. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can open number 2. Yeah, there we go. If we scroll to the bottom, we'd see the whole thing, and the last one I'm sure will work fine too. Let's have a look. Yes, brilliant, excellent. Well, guys, that's the end of this demo, but I will both share with you my code at some point so you can create your own ZX Spectrum files, and I will share the WAV files so that you can own HTMX, the ZX Spectrum version.